You're getting tired of your layabout life. Is that Mother Nature calling you? You're sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do. There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild.
Weenie's food rations. Don't give it to him all at once.
Exactly how long you planning on being away, Giselle?
2 nights, 3 days. You'll be fine. That's the camp's first aid kit. Use it sparingly. Decoy trash for the raccoons. To stop them from getting into the real trash.
Now that's clever.
Oh.
You gotta hand it to Giselle. I just wish she knew how to switch off being camp mom, you know?
She's just telling Boog and Elliot what needs doing while she's away on break.
Giselle's going on vacation?
Yeah, I know. I'm like, when does that ever happen?
I mean, does she even know how to have fun?
Girl, I don't even think she knows what fun is.
I have an amazing idea. Why don't we just crash her trip? Show her how to let her hair down and have some actual fun. We can make it into a girls' weekend.
That is a fantastic idea, muchacha. Good news, Giselle. Your break in the woods just got a free upgrade.
Carla and I are coming along. We're turning it into a girls' weekend.
Look, I've never really gone on a girls' weekend. Shh. No need to thank us, sweetie. Your face says it all.
What's a girls' weekend?
Ain't it obvious? A weekend with girls. No boys allowed.
Well, duh, but did you ever wonder what happens on a girls' weekend?
I don't know, but it sure as heck sounds like a whole lot of fun.
My thoughts exactly.
I'm calling it.
Where exactly are we supposed to be going, Giselle?
A special place for when I was a little fawn. There's supplies there we need for back at camp. Boring. What? How did you find this place? Well, I might have built it.
Who are you and what have you done with her, Giselle?
We should be comfortable here for the night. So, you girls promised me some fun. What exactly did you have in mind? Carla's secret s'mores. The secret is jalapeno peppers.
I can't go any further. Tell me you can still see him.
They're just up ahead. Looks like they've set up camp for the night.
Good. Let's start unpacking the camping supplies.
Right. So, where are they?
What?
The camping supplies. I thought you brought them?
I do not like the sound of that. Whatever it was, it's gone now.
That gives me a great idea. How about we tell some scary campfire stories? Whoa!
Okay, I suppose you want me to go first?
Yes, please!
My grandma used to tell us this one when I was little. A terrifying tale of a legendary monster, rumored to stalk these very woods at night. The Wimmerod, a foul creature who was once a mean and wicked human and magically transformed by nature's curse for their cruel deeds in life, destined to stalk the forest forever. Sometimes when the moon is full, you can even hear it howling.
on, girls. Hurry up and get some sleep so we can scavenge some of them yummy leftovers.
Poison ivy.
Listen. Pack everything up. We're leaving right now.
Luke, you gotta come see this.
They've packed up and gone.
Maybe we should just give up and go back to Camp Wild.
Not when we've come this far. Come on, E, I see tracks. It can't be too far ahead.
This is so clever. How'd you come up with the stilts idea?
Ever try getting swamp stink out of your fur?
Ho, ho, ho. Carla knows a thing or two about getting stink out of fur.
Yeah, well, swamp stink is so bad, you'd have to be crazy dumb to even think of following us through it.
I wonder how dumb a Wimmerod is.
Maybe we should just turn back.
Fine. You remember which way back is, right?
I was following you.
Yeah, I don't want to say this, but what if the Wimmerod is real?
Look, we don't know what that is, but we shouldn't hang around to find out either. The place I told you about isn't too far from here, but I'm gonna need your help setting up some traps. Just in case.
Wow. This place is unreal. You'd never even know it was here.
How old is this place anyway?
It's been in the herd since forever. All the old wisdom passed down over generations. Natural remedies, old stories and legends. A safe place to stay if times ever get hard.
You think you know some folks, eh?
Giselle, is that...
The Wimmerod? Well, someone's idea of one. That doesn't make it real.
I smell food. Maybe we finally caught up with the girls?
I know Giselle's vegetable stew anywhere.
We found a boog! We're finally saved!
And we finally find out what happens on a girls' weekend, too.
Ow! Ooh. Oh! Ow!
That was yummy. Thanks, Giselle.
You're welcome.
It's here. The Wimmerod is real.
Follow me. In here. Stay here till I come get you.
What about you?
I'll be just fine. I know this place better than I know my own hoof prints.
thing did this girls' weekend turn out to be? Well, we only caught an actual real-life Wimmerod!
Uh-oh.
Well, I didn't see this coming.
This is who was following us the whole time?
They're gonna be fine. What do we tell everyone back at camp?
What happens in the wild?
Stays in the wild.
Ow! My whole body hurts.
Mine too. Ow. What happened, Boog?
I can't quite remember.
Did we ever figure out what happens on a girls' weekend?
Nope. And the way I'm feeling right now, maybe it's best we never find out.
Oh, I remember something. You forgot the camping gear.
Make stuff up.
I am not.
R2.
I am not.
R2.